70s Westinghouse.
There's the glory.
Let's see how this is open.
Lift it, maybe.
There you go. I've done this thing in the past, however, it's been a few years.
Compressor is really faded off. And this is from 2001. This is an older one.
Something else.
There's another Goodman. It's pretty cool. It has a blower wheel for the fan.
Anybody knows for the code there? Drop in the comments.
Yeah. GE disconnect. Probably the original one.
That's probably original. I don't know what year this is, but this building was built in the late 60s. I think it was
68,
built,
69.
it was either 65 or 69. I can't remember. So this could be original?
This could be 60s. Likely 70s, but it could be late 60s.
After the code. I do not know. Okay, I'm going to take some pictures, and I guess that'll be it. See you guys in the next one. Picture time.
Guess I'll wrap up here. Thanks for watching.